Here are the steps. Press Win+R, then type Ctrl and press Enter. Click on Recovery. Then click Configure System Restore to create a restore point. On the System Protection tab in System Properties, select Create. Then click Open System Restore to select a restore point to restore your computer. The System Restore Point Windows 10 can help you restore your system to an earlier point. However, some programs may be affected after a system restoration, and it won't help you remove viruses or malware. It will not work when the restore points are corrupted. In this case, it is wise to take a full backup of the system. Here is a free, powerful, and comprehensive backup tool for Windows users. You can find the link in the description. Now I will show you how to use it. Run the tool. In the main interface, go to Backup, System Backup. It will choose the source partition automatically. Select another location as the destination. You can set scheduled backup by clicking the Schedule button. There are 5 types for you to choose from. To restore from the backup, click Restore on the left side. Then, click Select Task or Select Image File to find the image. And then restore your computer. With this tool, you can create system backup, partition backup, disk backup, and file backup. You can use it to automatically backup folders to a USB drive, NAS, cloud, network location. With its restore feature, you can restore your files or system effortlessly when there is a problem with your computer. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.